welcome back to my channel. Let's get started with Shreya. Hope you guys are doing very well. So today I am back with a new look, and this one is green blue kind of glittery look. If you guys are interested that how I created this look, then please keep on watching. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you guys found this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a very big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit the notification bell. I'll see you super soon with new videos. Till then, bye. Love you all.